going on, everybody? So have you ever wondered how some traders are able to make money consistently in the stock market while others just lose money on a day-to-day basis, weekly basis, month-to-month basis? Well, it's pretty simple. So in this video, I'm going to show you the two-legged pullback strategy, a trader's best friend. So for the education of this video, I'm going to use MSTR, MicroStrategy. And first thing you want to do is you want to identify the structure. Are we in an uptrend? Are we in a downtrend? Or are we trading sideways in the trading range? As you can see, we're clearly in a downtrend. So, structure identified. Second thing, with the two-legged pullback strategy, we use channels, right? So we want to find where our channel fits. If your channel doesn't fit, that means it doesn't validate the price action. So here, we have our downtrend. Okay. Now we have a strong downside, right? We pulled up and we broke and made a lower low. This is where it gets interesting. We're looking for a two-legged pullback once that new low is formed. And pay attention. First leg up, push down, second leg up. It's really that simple, guys. Either of these two candles could have been our entry. But you have your entry right there. And you just ride the momentum, the continuation to the downside. Now, why am I so confident in this trade? Because the overall trend is down, right? So I'm just looking for major pullbacks. We're not buying at the lows. We're not chasing the markets. We're just looking for a two-legged pullback. If we don't see a two-legged pullback, it doesn't validate our trade. We don't take the trade. And that's how you catch a clean trade with confidence. Follow for more trading gems. Let's build wealth and vibe. Thanks for watching. Until next time.